So I think it's about if you're selling through a website, or Amazon or HomeDepot.com or Walmart.com, there are strategies to help you retain your customer, to keep your customer. Because what you're trying to do is you're trying to keep that relationship yourself. So, manufacturers they don't have any customer relationships in regards to the individuals buying their products, but people might have been buying their products from Best Buy or wherever for years and years and years, but the manufacturers are giving that relationship to Best Buy when they private label product for them or sell through them. So what you're getting is relationship. You're getting the ability to have a relationship with customers if you want. So that's really what you're getting whenever you choose to sell direct yourself on your own website or control the customer yourself. You're saying from their name, their address, the ability to talk to them, post purchase, follow up, sell to them again. Um, you're getting that, and I think that is absolute gold if you know how to use it. And even if you're selling on Amazon or HomeDepot.com, that's where the warehouse kind of comes in that 3PL. You can have inserts in there that say, "Hey, come talk to me on my website or my social media, or tag you and your kids playing with my product or whatever it is," and that gives you a chance to have a relationship with them also. But I think that's ultimately what you're buying with that move is relationship.